So today we're going to be making a delicious brownie recipe. So first remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. So the ingredients you're going to need are 1 cup walnuts, 3/4 cup sugar, 100 grams of chocolate, 1 bar of butter, a tablespoon of salt, 1 cup flour, 3 eggs, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So the first thing we are going to do is melt the butter and the chocolate. So now we've melted it for around 1.5 minutes, and I'm going to stir it just a little bit to get the heat out and to melt the chocolate. Okay, so now I have fully beaten together the things, and we are going to add together the salt and mix. So I have now fully mixed together this sugar, and we are going to put the eggs in, the 3 eggs. I've added the the sugar, and the eggs, and I'm going to mix it now. So now we are going to add the vanilla extract and the salt, and we are going to mix. Now we are going to add the flour and the walnuts. And we are going to mix. So I have now prepared it, and I'm going to beat it just a little bit more. And now we're going to pour it into the big pan right here. So I've poured it in here, and this is our brownie, and I'm going to put it in the oven. So now we are going to be cooking it for 20 minutes before greasing it and taking it out. So I have cooked it for 20 minutes, and I'm going to slice it. So this is how it looks when it's cut up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.